and we can do it. So I think that itself boosts them that confidence and gives them that confidence that yes, even we can do it. And it feels really great as players that we did something for the nation, and also the youngsters also are following our footsteps. So it feels always really nice and great that there are a lot more youngsters who are coming up and will definitely do something and give something to the nation. And I think it's always good to see a lot of youngsters. And of course, as you said, as Sir also mentioned, that there is a large contingent this time in Indian Open. And I'm assuming there will be a lot more youngsters looking at us and taking us as an inspiration.
Okay, now we open the floor to the media for questions. Mics?
अरे मीडिया क्वेश्चन हो जाने चाहिए.
Yeah, I'm Anand Krishnan. I come from Bangalore. So yeah, this question is to Lakshya. So I've seen you play at KVA, PPBA. I'm very close quarters for many years. Not a great year last year, and Malaysian Open first round exit. So what are the lessons from these matches, and how are you going to gear up to a tough season ahead?
Yes, I think it was not an ideal start in the Malaysia Open, but I think looking forward. Hello. Yes. Yeah. So not a good start in Malaysia, but yeah, I think looking forward to playing a tough season ahead, and the season had just begun, and I just want to trust the things that I've done in the last off period that I've got, and yes, the matches are going to come on my way, and I'll be playing a lot more matches now. So yeah, looking forward to performing well, and yeah, there'll be lots of ups and downs, and I think last year have really shown me that it can be really tough at times. But yeah, I think if I put my mind and give my 100% in all the tournaments, I'll definitely come back stronger.
Yeah. Yes,
Sriram Village from NDTV. Ma'am, you had after the Paris Games, you had said on social media that you were taking a small break and you were trying to find the joy for the game back. So is that joy now back? Are you fully motivated for this tournament?
Mike.
Yeah, I think definitely yes, because after Paris, because we had back-to-back tournaments, and then everybody was focusing on the Olympics, and it was a tough season for everyone, especially me coming back from injury again, back-to-back tournaments. So I think Paris. After Paris, I actually wanted to take a break, like for 1.5 to 2 months, because until then I had like no break. It was like always back-to-back. So I think mentally, physically, I took a break and then I'm back. So yeah, really enjoying the game, really enjoying the sport. So I'm all set and ready.
Hi, my question is for Laksha. Rodhu Mukherjee from NDTV. So, no matter what anyone says, at the end of the day, you were the best performing Indian at Paris. And pressure this, pressure that, everyone has their opinion about how those last two games panned out. But now India sees you as this next big hope, or perhaps already the big hope of Indian badminton. How much pressure do you personally take, given all the success that you had in the Olympics?
Yes, I think overall it was a good experience. The matches that I played, a lot of the matches, like even the quarterfinals, even starting from second round, third round at the Olympics, those were like really pressure matches. So I think that experience will help me grow as a player in the coming years. And yes, there'll be a lot more added pressure going forward. But I just want to again focus on the things that I can do best and improve myself every day and try and win big tournaments. And as this Olympics is concerned, it gave me a lot of belief as well that if I play well, I can really be there and win tournaments.
Mike at the back as well. Yes.
Hi, my question is to Satvik. This is Samika from Times Now Digital. I wanted to ask you that you have spoken about the shoulder injury that has struck you once in a while. So is it completely healed or is it a recurring injury that keeps coming on? I don't know if you can explain a little bit.
I think it's sometimes very on and off. When I go for the reports, it shows like nothing so major, nothing so serious. But if there is a back-to-back tournament, then it's really hurts. So I'm figuring out that part. So right now I'm feeling comfortably fit. So hopefully I will remain same and figure it out after some time what is going well, what's wrong with me. So I have figured out after the Olympics. I took a break. I was injured. It was not only shoulder. I had a back injury as well. So we took a break. Then I figured it out. Then I started again freshly with new trainer. And so right now all things have settled down. So right now I'm doing it.
Hi, I'm Namrata from Jagat English. My question is for both Satvik and Chirag. You both have had success in different tournaments all over the world. So what is your approach to adjusting to all the conditions and what is your approach to adjusting to the India Open?
Well, yeah, I think every tournament that we play, we try to go as deep into the tournament as possible, and likewise for India Open, especially being the home tournament, I think we really want to play as deep into the tournament as possible and hopefully go one better than we did last year. And I think as far as playing in different conditions, I think it takes a while. Obviously, the first rounds especially are quite tricky. Once you clear that, I think you get used to the conditions, especially during the on-court sessions and all. And